Alright YouTubers, back to another golf cart video. Just want to do a follow-up here. So a while back I did a 36 volt conversion by using three 12 volt deep cycle batteries on the golf cart here. Just wanted to show you that they're still doing great. I've had zero problems from the conversion. Goes up hills greatly, takes off plenty of torque, same speed I've always had. Like I said, zero issues. Just to give you a quick view here real quick, here are the three 12 volt deep cycle batteries. We'll take it out for a test drive here, just show you how well that's working. We'll go over here to a hill in the backyard and show you that. But anyways, I just wanted to also say thank you to the company called Craftsman that makes the waterproof battery charger, and it seems to help out quite a bit. Now when I actually use a battery tester on the batteries, my state of health is back up to 98%. So it's actually saving or prolonging the life of the batteries. So if you are looking for a good battery charger, I would recommend Craftsman. I'll put a link to that below. But yeah, so it's probably one of the best things I've ever done, as in value for the golf cart. Otherwise you're going to be spending $1,000 to $1,200 for 6 Trojan golf cart batteries. And in this route, I think these are $90 a piece is what I paid for, $89 a piece from Walmart. You just wire them up in a series so it produces 36 volts. So many people have questions saying that the golf cart won't have the power, the golf cart won't last as long, the top speed, acceleration, everything is exactly the same. Here I'm going to show you, here's a pretty steep hill. I guess I should have showed you further back. It's the dam to the back side of the pond. And I'm going to stop here. Let me go halfway up this hill here so you can kind of see. I'm going to stop on this hill here. And it's pretty steep incline. And we're going to actually spun tires a little bit. Here we are going up the hill now. Hopefully you can kind of see the hill behind me. I don't know if you can or not. But same amount of torque, same amount of power, same acceleration, top speed, everything's the same. Trying to think a few other things on the golf cart. We had a company send us a new windshield about a year ago. I want to say thanks to them. You can buy the new windshields. This is the tinted version. I believe the windshields are 99 bucks on Amazon. Another company sent just some replacement hubcaps for the golf cart. You can see there. Another company has reached out recently and is wanting us to try, it's a company called Vader, wants us to try maybe a lithium ion battery conversion. So that's something we'll consider, and we're in the process of working out the details right now. But if you like golf carts, like my channel, please subscribe. I'm always willing to try new things, or if you have new ideas you want us to try out something new. But yeah, so far I have zero complaints of doing this battery conversion of the 3 deep cycle batteries. Like I said, I use the Craftsman battery charger. It plugs in exactly the same to the original adapter port right here and charges the batteries perfectly. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll reply as quickly as possible.